That is so awesome! They made cars that actually drive out of cardboard and metal. Oh my god, that is just the best and coolest thing ever. Who wouldn't want one of those? Or even just as a kid, having like a bicycle or pedal powered car that you can roam around in. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, and they only spent 650 bucks US to build it. Just imagine if you went and recycled, like reused cardboard or metal and stuff like that. That is just really rad. Damn, that sucks that they don't want to sell them because if you don't put a motor in them and they're just pedals, they're actually deemed like a bicycle, so they would be like legal. What if you added like an electric power assist and then it would make it a little bit easier? This is something like the Flintstones. Yeah, just for kids or even for just ourselves as adults, if you had like a pedal bike or everyone had pedals and like an electric power assist as well to give electric, then like yeah, everyone would use that to go like short range, close, instead of like far distances. I definitely would want to use one. It'd be super cheap. You wouldn't have to pay for gas. You wouldn't have to pay for insurance. It would be bicycle pedaled and electric assist, so you just plug it in, and it'd be good for your health and cardio and good for the environment. Or if even if you didn't have electric and it's just pedal the whole way, then like yeah, 100% good. Like that's what people don't realize is that there's so many different options rather than just being lazy and pushing the pedal down. And the greatest thing about like a pedal bike or a pedal scooter or a pedal car is that any age could actually use them. If electric is added to the machine, then you have to be 16 years or older, but you still don't need a license or insurance. I guarantee you somebody's definitely gonna start making these in our countries, but and selling them. Yeah, definitely. I bet you $100 someone's gonna do this. But yeah, anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Please like this video, click the subscribe button, and share it. And thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all.